Kikimimi headphones modern style. Once upon a time, Aya, a girl who loves music and chatting, lived in a small village. When she played with her friends, she always wore her favorite headphones and enjoyed podcasts and music. One day, Aya met a slightly unusual fairy in the forest near the village. The fairy loved to listen to her voice and eavesdrop on the conversations and sounds around her. Aya said to him, "Hey, when you listen to people so much, you must remember a lot of things every time, right?" The fairy smiled and said, "I see. But knowing the secrets and worries in people's hearts is a little addictive. Sometimes it's better not to ask," he replied. Aya was impressed by the words and remembered the special power contained in her headphones. In fact, the headphones were called Kikimimi headphones, and they not only heard the sound, but also had the power to understand the other person's feelings. Aya decided to use that power to listen to the voices of her friends and family. As a result, she understood the feelings of the people around her more than usual and built a deeper bond. However, one day, Aya realizes that one of her friends has a big problem in her heart. She decided to take off her headphones and talk directly to help her friend. As a result of discussing each other's feelings, our friends were able to lighten the burden of their hearts. In the end, Aya realized not only the power of Kikimimi headphones, but also the importance of facing the other person and communicating directly. And since then, she has not only enjoyed music and information, but also values conversations with friends and family. And the people of the village also saw her and began to express their hearts honestly, and the village became an increasingly warm place. That's it.